The Ford Coyote engine made its production debut for the 2011 model year, roaring to life under the hood of the Mustang GT. At the time, Ford needed more than just a refresh, it needed a bold comeback. The competition had already intensified, with Chevrolet reviving the Camaro and Dodge stepping up with a powerful new Hemi. In response, Ford didn't just tweak an existing engine, it engineered a completely new V8 that brought back the legendary 5.0 badge with modern muscle. This engine replaced the aging 4.6-liter modular V8, a reliable but now outpaced power plant that had been in service since 1990. The Coyote was built to dominate and reassert Ford's place in the pony car battlefield. It is produced at the Essex engine plant in Windsor, Ontario. What set the Coyote apart wasn't just its performance, it was the new technology under the hood. For the first time in a Ford V8 lineup, Twin Independent Variable Camshaft Timing, or TVCT, was introduced. Unlike traditional VVT systems that adjust intake and exhaust cams together, this setup allows each camshaft to be adjusted independently. The result? The engine can optimize valve overlap on the fly, depending on speed and load. It shortens valve overlap at low engine speeds to increase torque and responsiveness, and lengthens it at higher RPMs to let the engine breathe and produce more power. The TVCT system effectively turns the Coyote into a shapeshifter, offering torque when you want it, efficiency when you need it, and performance when you demand it. It was a game-changing move that allowed the Mustang GT to compete not just on raw power, but also on drivability and fuel economy. The Coyote engine is a 5.0-liter V8, with 8 cylinders arranged in a traditional V configuration. It is naturally aspirated, relying solely on atmospheric pressure without any form of forced induction. From the start, it featured a dual overhead camshaft design, with 4 valves per cylinder for a total of 32 valves. The block and cylinder heads are both made from lightweight aluminum, contributing to reduced overall weight and improved handling dynamics in the vehicles it powers. Fuel injection technology evolved over the years, starting with sequential multi-port injection and, by the third generation, transitioning to a sophisticated combination of direct injection and port injection. This hybrid system helps improve throttle response, emissions, and fuel efficiency without sacrificing the signature Coyote growl. The Ford 5.0 Coyote engine has undergone a remarkable evolution across its 4 primary generations, alongside the development of several specialized, high-performance variants. The inaugural Coyote, a true 302.1 cubic inch engine, was a deliberate homage to the original 5.0-liter or 302 cubic inch V8, a nod to Ford's rich heritage. It featured a 92.7mm bore and 92.2mm stroke. This first generation was built on a robust foundation, boasting a forged steel crankshaft, hypereutectic pistons, and a deep-skirt aluminum block, components designed to withstand significant stress and provide a durable platform for performance. Key features included piston oil squirters, which directed cool oil to the underside of the pistons to help manage heat, and 12mm head bolts for increased clamp load, ensuring cylinder head integrity under pressure. In the 2011 to 2012 Mustang GT, this engine produced 412 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque. For the 2013 and 2014 model years, a slight calibration change saw output increase to 420 horsepower. Debuting with the 2015 model year, the second-generation Coyote focused on optimizing airflow and high-speed operation. Updates included larger intake and exhaust valves, increased lobe lift in both camshafts, and further refinements to the TVCT system, specifically aimed at improving engine performance in cold temperatures. A notable addition was charge motion control valves integrated into the intake manifold. These valves play a crucial role in optimizing airflow at different engine speeds, improving combustion efficiency by creating a swirl effect at lower RPMs and opening up for maximum flow at higher RPMs. These changes collectively resulted in meaningful power gains, pushing output to 435 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque in the Mustang GT. The F-150 version of this generation also saw an increase, producing 385 horsepower and 387 pound-feet of torque. The third generation, launched in 2018, brought the most significant changes since the Coyote's initial debut. It introduced high-pressure direct injection alongside the existing low-pressure port injection, creating a dual-fuel system for more precise fuel delivery and improved efficiency across the RPM range. The compression ratio was also increased to 12.0 in the Mustang, allowing for greater thermal efficiency. A major structural change involved the cylinder wall construction, which transitioned from traditional steel sleeves to the plasma-transferred wire arc process. This innovative coating allowed for a larger cylinder bore, increasing the engine's displacement to just over 5 liters. Other enhancements included larger cam lobes and valves, a revised intake manifold designed for higher RPM airflow, and a higher redline of 7,500 RPM in the Mustang. These comprehensive changes resulted in 460 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque for the Mustang GT. The F-150 version saw its output increase to 395 to 400 horsepower and 400 to 410 pound-feet of torque. The latest iteration, the 4th-generation Coyote, debuted with the 2024 S650 Mustang. Visually, it is easily distinguishable by its dual-throttle body setup and a revised intake manifold, both designed for significantly increased airflow. This generation also features improved engine cooling to support its higher output. The standard Mustang GT produces 480 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque. With the optional active valve dual exhaust, output increases to 486 horsepower and 418 pound-feet. The Dark Horse variant, a dedicated high-performance version, receives further enhancements, including revised camshafts and stronger connecting rods, components directly borrowed from the 5.2-liter Predator engine. These upgrades enable the Dark Horse to achieve a formidable 500 horsepower and 418 pound-feet of torque with a 7,500 RPM redline. The F-150 variant of the Gen 4 Coyote is rated at 400 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. Beyond the core generational updates, Ford has developed several specialized, high-performance variants based on the Coyote architecture, each meticulously tailored for specific applications. Boss 302 Roadrunner, 2012 to 2013 Mustang Boss 302. This special version of the Gen 1 Coyote, internally codenamed Roadrunner, was engineered specifically for track performance. It received CNC-ported cylinder heads cast in 356 aluminum for enhanced airflow and strength, a beefier crankshaft, hotter exhaust cams, sodium-filled exhaust valves, stronger sinter-forged connecting rods, and forged aluminum pistons. It also featured a high-rise intake with shorter runners, optimized for improved high RPM power. These comprehensive upgrades boosted output to 444 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque, with a redline increased to 7,500 revolutions per minute, verified stable up to 8,400. Voodoo, 2015 to 2020 Shelby GT350 or GT350R. Perhaps the most unique Coyote variant, the Voodoo, with a 5.2-liter displacement, stands out due to its distinctive flat-plane crankshaft. This design, uncommon in traditional American V8, allows for a higher revving engine with a unique, high-pitched exhaust note. It features a new intake manifold, high-lift camshafts, a larger throttle body, and CNC-ported cylinder heads, collectively producing 526 horsepower and 429 pound-feet of torque at a screaming 8,250 revolutions per minute. Predator, 2020 to 2022 Shelby GT500. The Predator, also a 5.2-liter engine, takes the Voodoo's foundation and adds a cross-plane crankshaft and a potent supercharger, making it the most powerful factory Coyote-derived engine. It features an even larger throttle body, robust forged aluminum pistons, a 9.5-to-1 compression ratio, and a forged steel cross-plane crankshaft. This beast generates a staggering 760 horsepower and 625 pound-feet of torque, a level of power truly worthy of the most powerful production Mustang ever. Illuminator. This is a Ford Performance crate engine variant, designed to offer a more powerful version of the Coyote for enthusiasts and custom builders. It features a cross-plane crankshaft, distinguishing it from the Voodoo, and can reach 580 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque. Carnivore, 2023 to present Ford F-150 Raptor, are based on the Predator engine. The Carnivore is a 5.2-liter supercharged V8 specifically tuned for the F-150 Raptor R. Its tuning prioritizes a higher torque rating, making it exceptionally suited for demanding off-road performance. The Ford 5.0 Coyote engine has earned a legendary reputation within the aftermarket and tuning community, becoming a highly sought-after platform for performance modifications. Enthusiasts frequently commend its ability to breathe efficiently at high RPMs, making it an ideal candidate for forced induction. The inherent design strength of the Coyote, particularly its DOHC and robust bottom end, was a deliberate engineering choice that inadvertently created a highly receptive platform for aftermarket tuning. Tuners frequently target several key areas to unlock the Coyote's full potential. Adding a supercharger or turbocharger is the most impactful upgrade, capable of delivering massive horsepower gains, often exceeding 100 horsepower on boosted applications. Cold air intakes are a popular bolt-on modification, allowing the engine to draw in more dense, cooler air, which improves efficiency, horsepower, and throttle response. Upgrading to a high-flow exhaust system reduces back pressure, allowing exhaust gases to exit more freely, which not only boosts horsepower and torque, but also enhances the engine's aggressive sound. Replacing the stock throttle body with a larger unit and upgrading to performance intake manifolds, such as the Cobra Jet manifold, can significantly improve air intake and flow, especially at higher RPMs, leading to increased power. E85 fuel tunes can significantly boost power, especially on later model Coyotes with higher compression ratios. For extreme power levels, tuners will often opt for internal upgrades such as forged pistons, connecting rods, and crankshafts to handle the increased stress and maintain reliability. Despite some documented issues, the Ford 5.0 Coyote engine is widely praised for its long-term durability and reliability when properly maintained. Anecdotal reports from owners in online communities frequently highlight impressive mileage figures, underscoring its robust design and potential for exceptional longevity with consistent care. There are reports of F-150s with the 5.0-liter Coyote reaching over 400,000 miles and beyond. Despite its strong reputation, the Ford 5.0-liter Coyote engine hasn't been completely immune to problems. Over the years, it's been the subject of recalls, technical service bulletins, and even a class action lawsuit, most notably related to oil consumption and fuel pump issues. Let's start with one of the most serious cases, the F-150 5.0-liter oil consumption class action lawsuit. This lawsuit alleges that certain 2018 to 2020 Ford F-150 trucks equipped with the 5.0-liter Coyote engine burn oil at excessive rates. Owners reported having to top off oil between regular oil changes, sometimes as early as every 1,000 miles. The complaint suggests that Ford's revised cylinder wall coating and piston ring design contributed to the problem. The lawsuit accuses Ford of knowing about the issue, but failing to adequately address it. While Ford has issued TSBs to address oil consumption complaints, such as updating the powertrain control module or performing oil consumption tests, these fixes haven't fully resolved the issue for many owners. Then there's the fuel pump recall, announced in July 2025. This was a major safety concern affecting over 850,000 vehicles in total, including several powered by the 5.0-liter Coyote. Specifically, the recall covered approximately 455,261 units of the 2021 to 2022 Ford F-150 and 24,790 units of the 2021 to 2022 Mustang. The issue: a low-pressure fuel pump failure that could cause the engine to stall during operation. Ford found that fuel pump jet contamination and tight internal clearances could result in increased friction or vapor lock, especially in low fuel or hot weather conditions. This could cause the engine to run rough, misfire, or suddenly stall, greatly increasing the risk of a crash. Timing chain tensioner failures, especially in early generation Coyotes, caused noticeable rattling during startup. If the tensioner failed completely, the engine could fall out of timing, a catastrophic event that could destroy valves and pistons. Blown head gaskets have plagued earlier Coyote engines, often resulting in external oil leaks. Coolant leaks, especially from the upper radiator hose or T-connector, are frequently reported. Though some are minor, others require partial disassembly of the engine bay. In the bigger picture, the Ford 5.0-liter Coyote remains a reliable and enthusiast-loved engine, with most issues either fixed over time or manageable with proper maintenance. Like any high-performance engine, it demands attention, but rewards the driver with a truly thrilling experience when it's running right.